To ensure patient comfort and assist with secretion clearance, we heat and humidify the gases with the AquaVent heater humidifier. The on button is located at the side of the heater. When switched on, the heater will rotate its self-check and default to invasive mode. Invasive mode is indicated by the icon with the endotracheal tube highlighted with the green light. Non-invasive mode is indicated by the icon with the face mask. Invasive mode delivers a target gas temperature at the end of the breathing circuit of 40 degrees. Non-invasive mode delivers a target gas temperature at the end of the breathing circuit of 34 degrees. High flow and CPAP are both non-invasive therapies. Select the non-invasive icon. To select the mode, press the mode button at the top right of the screen. The AquaVent heater humidifier displays 3 temperatures. A is the airway temperature, measured at the end of the breathing circuit. C is the chamber temperature, measured at the beginning of the breathing circuit. H is the heater plate temperature and is typically used by EBME and bioengineering when seeking to identify a fault. The heater locks after 2 minutes. To unlock, simply hold the function button for 3 seconds. We recommend that the airway temperature is displayed. To do so, simply press the function button until the A temperature is on the screen, and to lock the screen, hold the function button until the lock button is displayed on the screen. The alarm menus are displayed on the left-hand side of the screen. The fault will display as a flashing red light, and the alarm will sound like this. You can silence the alarm by pressing the mute button and correct the fault. Once the fault is corrected, the flashing red light will disappear. The AquaVent heater humidifier will take approximately 2 minutes to warm to optimal temperature. Do not connect to the patient until optimal working temperature has been achieved, ensuring that the first breath that the patient takes is at optimal heat and humidity.